Hey, what's up, you guys? AirJ here. So, as you can see, I got a new car, but actually, it's my dad's car. But it's gonna be from my car from now on. And what is that? Oh, I thought that was a chain or something, but I guess not. There's a shirt in there. That's my father's shirt. And there's my nephew's hat. He's got a lot of stuff in here. Yep. So my dad said that he's gonna give me this car because I'm gonna be driving this year. I'm kind of happy for that. I'm not scared to drive. This has got to be an easier driver because I don't want to drive it that fast because I don't want to get in a car accident or anything. Ugh. So, on top truck. All right. So, school was okay, and I don't know if I should make the Lord Bardock versus Metal Sonic because I can't find Lord Bardock anywhere. So I'm gonna delete the Metal Hedgehog video and make another one. And I'll think of who should Metal Sonic face. I was like, though, how about you guys tell me who Metal Sonic should face? Because he's a pretty... Sorry, that's my friend. He just told me. Okay, anyways. So, you guys tell me who should Metal Sonic face. Well, ugh. My foot. So, yeah. I can't wait to drive my dad's car. Actually, I can't wait to drive my car. A new car. AirJ's got a new car. This is pretty cool. Second thought. Sorry about that. See if you can see it better. I'm going to show you the front. It's kind of scratched there because my father had a car accident. But he's okay. Yeah. So, this is it for the video. If you like it, please put your thumbs up button down below. Please comment, please subscribe, and see you later. AirJ out.